Hello everyone, myself Manish and my register number is URK23AI1108. In this experiment I am going to explain how to train an LSTM network for text generation. We begin by importing the necessary libraries such as NumPy, TensorFlow and Keras. Then we download the tiny Shakespeare dataset from GitHub, which contains about a million characters of text. The text is converted to lowercase and we identify all the unique characters present in it. Each character is assigned to a numerical ID using two dictionaries, one to convert characters into integers and the other to convert them back. This step is important because neural networks can only process numerical data, not raw text. Next, we create training sequences. We define a sequence length of 100 characters, meaning the model will look at the previous 100 characters to predict the next one. For each position in the text, we take a window of 100 characters as the input and the next characters as the output label. We then reshape the input data to a 3D format samples, time steps, and futures and normalize the values. The target outputs are one-hot encoded so that each character is represented as a probability vector across the vocabulary. Now let's talk about the LSTM model architecture. We use a sequential model with one LSTM layer containing 256 memory units, followed by a dense layer with a softmax activation function. The softmax layer ensures that the output gives probabilities for each possible next character. We compile the model using Adam optimizer and categorical cross entropy loss, which are well studied for multi-class prediction tasks. During training model gradually learns the pattern of character sequences from Shakespeare's writing. In this demonstration, I have trained the model for one epoch with a batch size of 128 to make it quick, but with more epochs the text quality improves significantly. After training, we generate new text. We start with a random 100-character seed from the dataset. The model predicts the next character, appends it to the sequence, and continues this process iteratively to produce about 500 new characters. This way, the model generates text in Shakespeare's style. Through initially, it may look repetitive until it's trained longer. Finally, this experiment shows how LSTM can learn long-term dependencies in the text, produce coherent, statistically consistent output. It demonstrates one of the foundational ideas behind modern language models, that by predicting the next token in a sequence, we can generate natural sounding tests. Thanks.